this video, I will show you how to get gum out of the carpet. Dealing with a sticky situation like gum stuck in your carpet can be frustrating, but fear not. There are effective methods to rescue your carpet from this predicament. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore step-by-step techniques to remove gum from your carpet, utilizing both common household items and specialized cleaning solutions. Materials needed: 1 ice cubes or a freezer pack, 2 plastic bag, 3 butter knife or spoon, 4 Goo Gone or WD-40, 5 white vinegar, 6 clean cloth or sponge, 7 carpet cleaner. The first step in this process involves freezing the gum to make it less pliable and easier to remove. Place ice cubes in a plastic bag or use a freezer pack. Apply the ice to the gum, pressing it against the affected area. Allow a few minutes for the gum to freeze. Once the gum is adequately frozen, use a butter knife or spoon to gently scrape off as much of the gum as possible. Exercise caution to avoid damaging the carpet fibers during this process. Step 3. Apply a cleaning solution. If remnants of the gum persist, consider using a cleaning solution to break down the sticky residue. Goo Gone or WD-40 can be applied to a clean cloth, which is then used to gently dab at the remaining gum. Before applying these substances to the entire affected area, it's crucial to test a small, inconspicuous section of the carpet to ensure compatibility and avoid any potential damage. For those preferring a natural approach, white vinegar can be an effective solution. Dampen a clean cloth or sponge with white vinegar and blot the remaining gum residue. The acidity of the vinegar aids in dissolving the gum, offering a chemical-free alternative. After successfully removing the gum, it's essential to clean the carpet thoroughly. Utilize a carpet cleaner or create a mixture of mild dish soap and water. Blot the area with a clean, damp cloth to eliminate any residual cleaning agents. Step 6. Make sure the carpet is completely dry. Accelerate the drying process by using a fan or opening windows to promote air circulation. If all else fails, or if you're hesitant to tackle the issue yourself, consider seeking professional carpet cleaning services. They have the expertise and specialized tools to handle stubborn stains effectively. With the right approach and a bit of perseverance, removing gum from your carpet is entirely feasible. By following these comprehensive guide, you can restore your carpet to its former glory and be well prepared for any future sticky situations. Remember to tailor your method based on the carpet type, and always prioritize the health and longevity of your flooring. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.